I think you'll get charged up or amped by this stuff. I've got a million new reasons to share this stuff with you. It's a smart choice to make. I can't. Roll it. Welcome back to the Scale Builders Guild. Thanks again for watching. Today we're taking a quick look at the new G2 Smart Basher series of batteries from Spektrum. And here they are right here. All of them, in fact, that they make. And I've also got a new little bonus charger there too. This is a USB-C powered charger. It'll charge up to 4S. Not going to be quick. Beyond LiPo, it does high voltage lithium, life, and nickel metal hydride batteries as well. And that's a nice little bonus just to toss in the glove box, so you always have a charger ready to go. It'll do the IC5 and IC3 connectors, so you've got everything you need in one tight little package. Toss that in your glove box, and you're ready to charge on the go. USB-C to USB 2 adapters. You can also just use a USB-C if you've got a Jeep 4xe. It's got USB-C in it now. But we're here more to talk about the batteries and the technology behind these batteries and what's capable with the Basher line. Now you'll see there's a lot of different battery options here, all the way up to 14,000 milliamp hour 3S pack. And that's a really good pack for a couple of reasons. One, it's going to give you a lot of runtime in your Axial SCX6. Because it'll fit it. And with that kind of range, you'll be able to take your truck on a much larger adventure. And because it's smart technology, it has all of the telemetry built in. It can talk to the radio that comes stock with the SCX6 and will allow you to see how much charge you've got left. So you can go, okay, well, we're at 50%. Let's head back. It's a really nice feature. One that I really, really like. A couple other things about the Smart series of batteries. They have a microchip built into the battery itself. So here's a standard, well, not standard, but massive 6,800 milliamp hour 6S LiPo battery. There's an actual microchip built into this 6S 6,800 milliamp hour pack. And what it does is after 72 hours of not being used, it automatically goes into storage mode. So it goes down to 3.79 volts per cell, giving it a much longer battery life overall. It's not always up at those high volts, just sitting there not doing anything. It's really nice to have that kind of technology. We're also looking at 120C across the spectrum of Spektrum smart batteries for the Basher lineup. Now, the great thing about that 120C discharge is that it's really designed for a bashing style of running, where you're basically pinning the throttle the whole time. Get a nice sustained voltage, and will run trucks for a long time with like 6,800, 6,200, 10,000, 14,000 milliamp hours. You're going to get a lot of life out of these packs and a nice long runtime in your Bashers. The G2 chargers are fantastic. If you do have a G1 charger, there is a software update because this smart technology carries a lot of extra information through that third wire. You can update your older G1 chargers to be G2 chargers. Usually you can do it through a USB port. I'm finding some difficulty with that, I have to be honest, so I am going to buy the actual USB to charger adapter. That should run the software much better. And then I'll have a nice G2 charger from the old S2100 that I have before. The Basher line is IC5 across the board. You can use an adapter to connect EC5 connectors. It's super easy. You can actually make an adapter basically for anything. You just don't gain any of this smart telemetry features. And those do come in handy. If you are in the Spektrum ecosphere already, using the smart technology is just a no-brainer. Oh, I'm making so many good puns today. Anyway, enough of me talking about these batteries. Let's see how they perform and what kind of run times we can get. We'll also test these out in the Arma Felony. Just added the MyTrick RC light kit. We should see how that looks at dusk, because that's a really cool car. I love that one. Once the weather turns, I'm even going to try the Mojave with these two dual 6,800 milliamp hour packs and paddle tires to see how it does in the snow. I'm pretty excited about that. It's awesome in the sand. I can only imagine how much more awesome it is in the snow. Thanks so much to Spektrum for sending me all of the milliamps ever. And I'll be sure to put links down below so you can check out all the new product. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again soon. Enjoy that running footage.
Royal Rumble. I'm the lion in the jungle on another level. Like a rebel, I don't listen and go against the system for good riddance. I put the work in, overtime, and go the distance. The champ's here, the king's back, the throne's mine, you gotta give me that. I'm invincible, my story is incredible. The headline reads, you'll never break me, no.